Okay, Atlas is out. Everything I did when I first started back in 2001 was out of an Atlas, very similar to this, all right? And it's got maps and all the information. So what we're gonna do right now is just kind of crack this thing open. You see at the top, we've got our numbered section. 1, 2, all the way down to 14, right? And then down the left side of the page is letters. And you cross where those meet right there, you'll find Greenville. There's a low clearance of 10 feet. So if you're planning your route, you would want to make sure you stay off of that. Low clearance section, here's page 26. It'll tell you restricted routes, low clearances, and you can find those. All right, page 4. So look right here. So we're going to Greenville, right? Alabama 10, that's the highway. This is the town, 10-foot clearance. Key map is L7. So flip over here, turn it this way. Up is north. So look here, go down L. This section here, so right in here, between those two arrows, that's L. Go to 7, come down. Greenville. There's a low bridge 10-foot on Highway 10. And that's how you find those things. So then you've got websites you can do. And again, for trip planning, this is some really great technology to use. It's a little bit old school technology, but still, your GPS may go down, phone, your systems may go down and quit working.